2017 Ram 1500 Pro Master. They already busted the other window and emptied the guy out on all his tools. So yeah, basically if somebody's watching this video, it's because it probably happened to you as well. Anyway, you're gonna hit lock, locks the doors, unlock, unlocks the doors. You can get out, close the door. If you want to arm the alarm, you're gonna hit lock. That arms the alarm. Basically, we gave him the alarm system with the door locks, and then we also gave him the shock sensor for the windows, and we also gave him the phone app that from the phone he can get an alert anywhere to arm the. It tells you the voltage of the battery, the temperature inside the truck. You're gonna hit lock. That arms it. You can do this anywhere in the world. You don't have to be next to the vehicle at all. Disarm it is there. Okay, and then it tells you the GPS, but for security reasons, I'm not going to show location. But I'm going to go ahead and arm it. I'm going to bang on the window. The alarm is going to set off, and he's going to get an alert on his phone and a text message as well.
Your alarm is sounding on your vehicle.
See? And it will tell you it was triggered by impact.
Vehicle alert.
Okay, if somebody opens the door, it's going to set off the alarm, and then the text message is going to come in telling you that the alarm was triggered by door opening. So this is the only alarm in the world, which this is the reason, one of the reasons why I like it a lot. It tells you the reason why it fires off. You know, that's big, because if you get a shock sensor and you know it's raining a little bit and thundering, you know, you don't have to go out there so fast. But anytime you see door open on a text message and the alert, you got to go, because doors don't open by themselves. So that means 100% somebody opened your door in your truck.
Your alarm is sounding on your vehicle.
And it tells you there in Spanish, because he has the phone in Spanish. It will tell you by door opening. But if you have your phone in English, it will tell you by door opening, triggered by door opening. As far as when the alarm fires off, you know, it will do the starter kill, so you won't be able to start the van. It comes with this the little antenna at the top. The light's gonna flash on blue, and it also has an emergency button right here. In the event that the remote controls go bad and the phone dies out, you have to turn the key all the way in the ignition, and you have 3 seconds to press that button, and that will disable the alarm and allow you to start the van. Yeah, that's pretty much what's going on here. They emptied the guy out completely, took all his tools and everything. So he gave us a call to, and due to the fact that this guy lives in apartments, you know, it's probably best for him to get the notification on the phone, because once he goes up inside the building, he won't be able to hear this thing going off. So that's why we recommended the one that sends in the alert on his phone. And sometimes when you go inside these places to buy the materials that you need for work, if they break into your truck outside, you know, the alarm will fire off. And you'll get the notification inside a warehouse or wherever you are, or even at a job site too. Sometimes you get so busy at a job site that, you know, that's when they take advantage of stealing your tools. So yeah, this alarm was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialist. Again, our numbers is 305-298-4814. Whoever has these type of vans, we do come out to Fort Lauderdale, Homestead, or Pepper Pines, Miami as well. Of course, we're in Miami. Again, our numbers is 305-298-4814, and we do offer free mobile service, so you don't have to stop what you're doing. You can continue doing your work while we do the installation. Thank you for watching this video.